Welcome back to the channel, guys, and today we're out in the garden trail with the MN99. It's a hybrid of 3 trucks, so it's got the MN body and chassis with the Fayee axles and motor and WPL wheels and electronics. So let's see how it gets on, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. And as always, I'll put links down below in the description where you can get yourself an MN99 or any of the parts used to make the truck. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button to keep up to date with all what's happening on the channel, and I'll see you next time.